house. Warm-up's going on with the kids. Ready for coaches meeting upstairs. Get ready for it. Ready to get after it. At the Bobcats, we got a mat to ourselves over here. We got Jalen, Jeremy. Everybody's pretty close to weight. T-Bone resting on my Bulgarian bag. After the coach meeting, I'm gonna start swinging that mug. All right, we got a little action going on now. It's like some secondaries, a little loose roll going on, a daily drill. I love to see it. Nice, Jeremy. What you got, Jalen? Your turn. Yeah, got a little hook. Okay, I see him. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 mats. T-Bone's on deck already, so we'll be starting out the day tomorrow. We'll be here early, get them ready. Ready to get after it. Excited, grateful, looking forward to the coaches meeting and getting the workout in. And back to the hotel, the casino. Got that whirlpool suite tonight. As always, thanks for watching. And peace. Much love to you. And with another, see what they got going on. Secondaries, baby. Gotta love it.